What's up, guys? Dino is here. Second day in LA, and me and my friend Nedim. We had breakfast. Where did we have a breakfast? What was the place called? Chick-fil-A. It was awesome. Kind of expensive for us, but good food. I mean, tasteful food. Not good for your health, but doesn't matter. We enjoyed it. And now we want to go to Universal Studio, but fuck them, I'm not giving them $100. So I'm going to Universal Studio, and that's why we just said maybe we should go to see the Hollywood sign. So yeah, we are up the Hollywood sign. And I'm gonna tell you like this: this city is a desert city, guys. And as you can see, everywhere is sand, no, not even one cloud. 8 months of sunshine all time, and it's awesome. If you like summer, this is the perfect place for you. So we just drove with Uber here, and I just realized that GTA 5 Grand Theft Auto, you know, I recognize some places from the game actually, you know. So I'm gonna try to get there. So I'm gonna make a vlog from there. I hope I'm gonna get there. We're gonna see, and it's awesome. Maybe this is gonna be my future town. You never know.